Hey girlie, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yummy Yum. Today we're going to be working with Ashimary Hair Company. They sent me a 30-inch wig, so you already know we're going to bust it down. Let's just get into the video. Ashimary sent me some gifts, y'all. This is an edge brush, melt belt, press on nails, and this is the wig. It's a 13x6 transparent lace wig, and I would prefer you guys to wash this wig before installing, because the texture of the wig is just so much better. As you guys can see right here, I have bleached the knots and I also washed it, and the texture is just so much better with it being washed. Use the Even Supreme lace glue, and right here I'm just tracing out exactly where I want to place my glue. You can skip this step, or you can use an eyeliner and just wipe it off with alcohol afterwards. Y'all drink every time I say in this video. I'm so sick of myself. As you guys can see, I created a guideline for myself just so I know exactly where to place the glue. And I'm going to be doing only 2 layers. That's, girl, get it together. Now I'm just going to use a flat object just to smooth my glue out. And you can use popsicle sticks. That's the cleaner way to do it. But, you know, I'm going to be a little ghetto with mine. Or you can use the end of your comb too as well. It's whatever floats your boat, girl. Don't let nobody tell you what you can and cannot use when you're doing your hair, okay? Now I'm just going to be laying each layer down. I couldn't really see. I was trying to do it towards the front of the camera, but I couldn't really see. So you're just going to lay each layer down one by one, and you're going to comb. You're going to use that comb and comb it backwards to press that lace into the glue. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, got the plug, I need more pounds. I put on tip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. Yeah, you trying to leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. Now I'm just going to be cutting out the excess lace, and I usually do that before laying the lace down, but I kind of did it backwards this time. But you're just going to want to cut everything that's around the ear. Everything that's around it, cut it off. You don't need that, girl. And you're also going to want to repeat the same step on the other side. Whatever you do to one side, you're going to do to the other side. Now I'm just going to be using my freeze spray just to extra lock it in. I really love using the even lace glue and the even lace spray together. That's a super bomb combo together. When I say your wig will be stuck. Or you can also use spritz. It's whatever floats your boat, honey. Now I'm using the Ashimary melt belt just to melt that lace in. I got hoes by the crew trying to do me, now we're going to get into styling. And girl, like I said, we're going to do a 30-inch bust down the middle, because girl, when you get that 30-inch wig in the wintertime, what girl don't want them a sleek bust down the middle when you first get your 30-inch wig in the wintertime? Like, be for real. Now we're going to be cutting off the excess lace, because we can't see with that lace in front of our face like that. We don't need that lace anyways. The white stuff you guys see right there is my wax stick. Make sure you use a wax stick if you want a sleek and flat wig. Like, that's one of the key points. And I also use freeze spray too. But after I finish hot combing my roots, I'm going to take sections of the hair. Like, as you can see right here, I'm just going to take a little section and go through just to ensure that my hair is super duper flat. Did I say ensure? Did I come up with that word, or is it the correct definition? I don't know. Now, right here, I want you guys to pay attention, because I am dragging the hot comb down a little too far. And when you make that mistake, the hair becomes a little bit too oily after using a wax stick. So that's why I also go in with the freeze spray, because it has alcohol in it. So it kind of dries it out when it becomes a little bit too oily. Just a tip. Yes, the flatness and the sleekness. Y'all see that? Stop playing. But now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. But I always go back in 1,000 times with my hot comb. So that wasn't the last time I'm a hot comb each side. Both sides are going to get hot comb at least 50 times before I'm satisfied. But I cut it out the video so you guys won't get aggravated with me. I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. Yeah. now it's time to take this melt belt off and cut that excess lace off that I still have, and it looks pretty good. It's transparent lace, like I said. I was really hoping for HD lace, because with HD lace, girl, you don't have to do as much work. But I'm using my eyebrow razor, just the tip of it, as you guys can see, just to cut off the excess lace, and I'm still gonna have to go back in a second time to melt it.
Like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by more, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging, got 5 million cash.
I don't know why I was having such a hard time trying to cut this particular lace, but it gave me a little hassle. Maybe it's the eyebrow razor though, I think. But this was a brand new eyebrow razor, so I don't know. See, my lace is still up, so now it's time to use that freeze spray again, and we're gonna melt it a second time just to lock that lace in, because we don't do that, like how it's sticking up like that. We don't.
I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't.
Now put on your melt belt and leave it for about 30 minutes this time. Well, at least until you get through styling your hair. Right here, I'm just going to be pressing my hair out, and y'all know how to press hair out, so I'm not going to just keep, the full footage in there, because I don't have that much space on my phone.
All of my hoes get face, baby. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and not raised. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas better like me, had to switch up my phrase. And I'm sending out shots to the fouls get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm trying to leave me, I'm low down.
Now I'm just going to be removing the melt belt, and it's just so much better now. Now I am taking my makeup and I'm just dabbing it on the lace, just the extra, give it that blend, give it that natural look, and I'm going to take the hot comb again. Y'all know how I am with this hot comb. And I'm just going to make sure that my hair is laid, you know what I'm saying? Because, girl, I don't know about y'all, but I really love a very flat and sleek look. Okay, as you guys can see, it's very flat, and I'm not going to do my baby hairs on camera, so I'm going to just be showing you guys the look, and hopefully you guys like it. Here is how it came out, very flat and very sleek. I also did an updo, as you guys can see, super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching.